Around the world, more and more mechanical and plant engineering companies are relying on 60mm bus bar system technology from Woehner. With its consistently modular approach, this technology offers maximum safety, high flexibility, quick and easy mounting, low maintenance costs, durable solutions. The traditional plant assembly techniques used in control engineering and power distribution are very time-intensive because of the amount of fastening and wiring required. There is a lot of drilling and screwing involved. The arrangement of the control cabinet components is often unclear, takes up a lot of space, and offers few options for extension or expansion. The amount of servicing and maintenance required is high. Since it requires no drilling, the 60mm system from Woehner offers impressive time and space savings of up to 60%, as well as a clear configuration in the control cabinet. Modular, simple, fast, flexible, and safe. 60mm bus bar system technology from Woehner. The capacity of bus bar systems is increasing all the time, and they can be optimally adapted to the respective scope of application. They are based on commercially available flat bus bars in different cross-sections up to a maximum of 30 by 10 millimeters. These are supplemented by Woehner special profiles, such as the Double T, Triple T, and TCC profile for high power requirements. This enables currents of up to 2,500 amperes to be carried safely. For flat bus bars with a thickness of 5 and 10 millimeters, Woehner has developed a universal bus bar support that can be adjusted to various bus bar widths. The slide can be adjusted to widths of 12 to 30 millimeters. The universal bus bar support comes in 2-pole, 3-pole, and 4-pole versions. The 2-pole system is used for photovoltaic as well as for DC applications. For 3-pole systems, Woehner also offers fuse bases according to the American and the French standard. And the 4-pole components can be used to construct compact switch gears that conform to individual international requirements. Multi-pole system components can be snapped onto the 60mm bus bar system in one simple step and contacted without the need for any maintenance. All system components can be adjusted to 5 or 10 millimeter bus bars. Components with an insulated contact foot can be very easily adjusted to the respective bus bar thickness using a screwdriver. The module is placed on the 60mm bus bar system, engages, and is automatically fixed in the correct position. The springs guarantee the contact pressure and ensure a lifetime of power transmission, irrespective of operator skill. The contact point cannot be loosened by vibrations. The fact that no drilling is needed to mount the devices means that the system can be constructed extremely quickly and efficiently. The multi-pole components of the 60mm bus bar system technology simultaneously guarantee shock protection for the system. However, it is not just fuse devices that can be mounted on the bus bar system. The development of Woehner's proprietary Equus adapter technology enables motor starter combinations as well as circuit breakers and contactors to be used on the bus bar system. Circuit breakers or motor circuit breakers are installed by simply hooking them onto the adapter's upper mounting rail and snapping them into position. After the contactor is placed on the second mounting rail, the rail is screwed to the adapter body in its end position and the motor starter combination wired. Our extensive range of adapters offers various designs for using all customary motor starter combinations on the bus bar. When it comes to control and automation technology, high availability and flexibility are playing an increasingly important role. With the introduction of cross-link technology to the Equus power connectors, Woehner enables flexible and straightforward use of circuit breakers up to 630 amperes on the bus bar system. Contacting the circuit breaker directly on the adapter is not only the safest, but also the fastest way of connecting a circuit breaker to the bus bar system. Woehner offers sophisticated and flexible connection technologies for cables and flat conductors for a reliable feed to the bus bar systems. Terminals like the Crito Profi clip permit safe and easy mounting of copper and aluminum conductors on the bus bar system. The bus bar does not have to be drilled. No additional nuts, washers, or above all, cable lugs are required. A screw locates the terminal with the conductor securely on the bus bar. This means that even large cross-sections of 300 square millimeters, for example, can be connected with ease. The combination of the individual elements ensures a safe and universal connection, no matter where in the world. Flat conductors of different cross-sections can be conveniently connected with the Crito Profi clip. The Crito Power clip can even securely connect two flat conductors simultaneously to the bus bar system. The proven universal conductor terminals are simply pushed onto the bus bar. The integrated spring holds the terminal in position, enabling quick and easy connection of copper conductors ranging in size from 1.5 to 120 square millimeters directly on the bus bar. Multi-pole terminal plates for laminated copper, as well as for cables measuring up to 300 square millimeters, are available for shock-protected incoming and outgoing terminals. The Crito Profi liner offers an especially compact connection technology. Just 20 millimeters wide, it enables quick and easy connection of 3 round conductors, ranging in size from 1.5 to 16 square millimeters, using spring-loaded terminals. Unused areas of the bus bar system can be fitted with single or multi-pole covers. This provides shock protection for the entire bus bar system. Woehner has developed the 60mm system compact to provide the benefits of the 60mm system where space is limited. It is used, for example, in mechanical engineering or in small distribution boards in building automation and distribution units. With a low overall height of 160 millimeters, 60mm system compact has the same high current carrying capacity, resistance to short circuits, and component variety as the 60mm system classic. The 3-pole version of the 60mm system compact distributes currents of up to 360 amperes. The components of the 60mm system classic can also be used in the 60mm system compact. This flexibility opens up lots of possibilities in plant planning. The 60mm system compact comes as a 4-pole and 5-pole version for building automation. These versions have been specially developed for use with circuit breakers. The basis for all solutions is the single-pole 18mm modular bus bar adapter with an adjustable connection foot. This foot visibly engages at the selected position. The adjustable foot can be freely selected for the 3 outgoing cables, L1, L2, L3, as well as N. This means that one product can handle all the tasks that crop up during installation. A 4-pole or 5-pole system can, of course, also be combined with a 3-pole system. Like the 60mm system classic, the 60mm system compact is characterized by optimum use of space, maximum safety and flexibility, fast mounting, as well as easy maintenance and servicing. The 60mm bus bar system technology from Woehner guarantees high system availability, can be used anywhere in the world, and is backed up by our comprehensive service network. We support our customers in the individual planning of plants, provide expert advice on component selection, and pass on valuable tips on realizing bus bar systems. In this way, Woehner contributes to safe energy distribution and intelligent energy control the world over. Safety, ease of mounting, and compatibility with international standards have made the 60mm system a worldwide benchmark in all areas of energy distribution. Woehner, alles mit Spannung.